This assessment asks us to predict the product of the Sonogashira reaction shown on screen. Recall that the Sonogashira reaction is the reaction of alkyl, aryl, alkenyl halides with acetylenic copper species, so molecules that we could abbreviate as this, where we have an alkyne attached to a copper. Now here we see in this we've got two equivalents. Well, good news, we've got two iodides, so we're going to be able to react with both. And the combination of these reagents using a base and copper iodide is what's going to help us generate this acetylenic copper species. In fact, we'll generate two of them. We have our palladium tetrakis as our catalyst, and so essentially we're going to make a bond between the alkyne carbon, the terminal alkyne carbon, and the carbon bearing the iodide. And so let's draw the product we get. We'll do it in the case of both iodides, and so we'll end up with that. This, and let's not forget to decorate our ring and put that methoxy group in. This is the product of the Sonogashira reaction on the screen.